Octopus used water gun while the dog is clueless as to why it's getting wet. Even though admiring Thor, this boy isn't ready to meet him. It seems a worker's being caught in the middle of a miscommunication between two leaders.
Vinny, I can see you. I can still see...
It wouldn't count if Viola didn't see anything.
Vinny, you have to get out of the car. I can see you, honey. I can...
The Easter Bunny has finally revealed its true identity.
George! Oh my God!
With Mango's bestie, opportunity comes to those who seek it first.
Te presento a Niña y Ramón.
Well, 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 what do we have here? Two giraffes.
¿Qué tal? Hola, hola.
Bored with his white fur, but poor to go to the spa to get his fur dyed.
Maggie? Oh yeah, do the whole lot. I think they've missed a bit.
Brody! Goat! Brody! Almost come back. Nope, nope. Brody!
Mother Nature being like, boy, listen to your mother.
Oh, come on, come on.
See, this human here is mine. When Golden promised to sacrifice everything for his bestie. Don't be surprised to see him on the Guinness World Records news. This dog is putting on airs and trying to look like a noble.
Lola.